这时的时阵，美国联合健康保险公司的执行长汤普森去互暗杀。美国纽约市警察局公告讲，即马已经有抓到一个嫌犯。
纽约市长亚当斯甲市警局开记者会，宣布今年26岁男子麦吉昂伫纽约西边450公里的宾州一间麦当劳被逮捕，即马伫咧侦讯。伊涉嫌这个月随时伫曼哈顿开枪拍死全美国上大医疗保险美国联合健康保险公司执行长汤普森。
The suspect was in a McDonald's and was recognized by an employee who then called local police. Responding officers questioned the suspect, who was acting suspiciously and was carrying multiple fraudulent IDs as well as a U.S. passport. Upon further investigation, officers recovered a firearm on his person as well as a suppressor, both consistent with the weapon used in the murder. They also recovered clothing, including a mask consistent with those worn by our wanted individual. Officers recovered a handwritten document that speaks to both his motivation and mindset.
警方讲，嫌犯伫咧马里兰出事大汉，甲加州旧金山有关联。伊伫宾州读大学，不过上尾啊地址是夏威夷淡香山。伊资料内面有写，伊伫加州做资料工程师，宾州大学毕业了做过助教。 今年10月，有朋友伫咧 X 留文讲，大家已经足久拢无你的消息啦。
He seems that he has some ill will toward corporate America. The gun appears to be a ghost gun, may have been made on a 3D printer. The capability of firing a 9mm round.
警方讲，嫌犯伫咧作案时阵，枪敢若是有起掉的，不过伊正紧就收好，继续开枪。伫案发现场找到的枪支壳顶头有写“可能抗辩”甲“拒绝赔偿”。 可能认为是美国医疗保险拒绝理赔的3个步骤。纽约市警局发布其最近的相片，伫中央公园所在的时阵，找到一个牌仔，依照线索发现伊不用加证件带旅馆，去过一间星巴克，结果认定伊可能已经离开纽约。联邦调查局迄当阵也开5万的赏金要抓伊。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。